The meaning of plants. Viburnum tinus, sometimes known as tinus. In some cultures, this plant represents a token. In other cultures, it means I die if neglected. The famous Victorian poet Robert Browning wrote this about the viburnum. This that was a book in its time, printed on paper and bound in leather, last month in the white of a matin prime, just when the birds sang all together. Into the garden I brought it to read, and under the arbute and laurustine. Read it, so help me grace in my need, from title page to closing line. Another famous English Victorian was Henry Baker Tristram, and he had this to say about the Viburnum tinus. When he found this plant in Palestine, he said, "I never saw such a mass of perfumed blossom, a kind of guelder rose, a sort of sweet scented evergreen like the laurustinus." Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, why not click on the subscribe button?